Once again, welcome to Sisanga Family Business. The Goat Stuff. Let's talk about goats. Today we're gonna talk about mineral brokes or sub-links in goat farming. The path. This is so blown. Yeah, it's a big topic. We shall go it in parts and parts. Let's start with what you see there. Now, those are sheep trying to fight for that mineral broke. That's sword. They're trying to fight for. What are the advantages and disadvantages of that mineral broke? That mineral broke contains what we call electrolytes. Electrolytes support illnesses in goats, stress. Those are some of the things these goats miss. When you say you don't buy other stuffs, I only give my goats to take them to the grass, I leave them there, my goats are fed naturally, oh my goats look good. No, these goats are missing something, unless we're only doing them on a small scale. If you doing them on a small scale, that is okay. That makes sense, 1 for 2 or 3 for eating. That is good, but for us who do is at commercial, at business level. It needs, salt does a lot of things. Salt contains minerals like zinc, copper, iodine. Now, those minerals, some of them we don't get in grass. Some of them those ones who do zero grazing, you can find those minerals. Those subwara, una, minerals ezo, momudo, owa muvyodisa no garmache amodo kwa putting magnesium, amodo kwa burimo copper. Avanas water dejimu copper. Now, the mineral pork says zoraba. It is zoraba on Muzizia, Ziziyamba, Okfuna, those minerals in another woman will be around calcium, and put the calcium. But how do we give them calcium so fast in that tomorrow could carry them day? That's the way we introduce the salt links of the mineral blocks. To do the mineral blocks, Muzoraba with it one, Katia on the Ikakweza Kaja Ate. Kuwariku dongari kuziwa makwari tuagara, tuzwangati iga, then suroko amas with namods tuaka jewo, katmina zirikanzi marokwira kumunyo for like some few hours. Then we let them out for water. Those are the mothers. When we let them out for water, they are gonna take a lot of water. What does water help? Mumbuzi, amazida kolagatia mibuze nwidini amaz kuweze omu. Owomunyu. Gule kira embuzes in kalamata. But embuzes will be different in kalamaka. Zinwanyamas, amazi, the polapucha, ombuz. What does a do in Gosh Summit? What does mineral brokes or salt links do in good funny? Avant over sing that it man. Chubolakugamba to yebuzi tauma. Embuzi take the far who are this way monsico edium dogumu. Odia. Adi wabadeno ati bomarokadia wakashude ni wafakua kufamu wakakuwa desman wakapte kubucha wakasaze okaridi oria muzita woma Saint Zoo oria chingwista the Saint Zoo lava wozija jam kusisama mixed fa booking anafe offices that was me opposite textile adjacent zaudia unsania yamukem emeng zimba vachitakali jamu booking oria chingu Joman, Oria Mbuzi, Jomani, Tefu de Warnu, and Buzian, needed one any healthy. If you eat healthy, you eat good, you good in good mind, and good body. But if you just eat junk, well, you know better. Wushigaram was Ojadiamia citizen of Anabungwari Sibitari to Fatenga Zikomenia, Okukura. Takgende ku, Fdeu Amatsi. It was a zenu. Sola kumanyanti area nyude okediti anide catch butuzu wo munyu gozi eteri karamakano in badimbergan ati karamate zinu nyamatsi amazi dakola chino dehydration amazi gayambako dehydration embuzi zinu muzibazira kinamazi Tizami de bunye zimu one munabakodi wafsimagateka webuzi abadi akanwa ni papa ni vayo Cutting Buzinonyamazi, Ovamidagari wa de no to Gwazid, and the Zinonyamaz in Midi. Ikambra, Memories ziri mu munnyo zitambula mubiri. Embuzi ebuzinga stress, embuzi kini, embuzi nyirira nga muziraba, embuzi bazinide, embuzi nekola ennyama, bina all ingredients. Embuzi lidde kano balijjambira bulungi, ebyona bino kati naawe n'oda aliga omuntu mwagala calcium. Kati wida embuzi emuliddeko liro bwekopa, wida ennyama limu ebirungo byonna bya iron. Kikima tugamba nti iron, missing iron bw'erinsi yotta nnyama. Missing with ono liat chota mungi bachi buzenga chili really treated chaffy dinda ko zero grazing. Let us go back on what we eat. Yeah, let us go back on what we eat. Kwa hiyo kuli ya bijava mumurunji omonyu guyina don't go gereko miwa brooks omonyu guyina stages zitukuwa apari miara mobaba nunzabamu futukula kusiwa mungu naba maduka batibatuwuliga bagamba mindu wa broccoli omonyu gwina stages nchi obuto bunyabu kwa bulimu components bulimu minerals ezenjawulo copper zinc ngabo nabaganda copper zinc iron iodine a lot of minerals are in there. Now if the minerals are in there kitegeeza buli stage inakuja kwatabo buto obuwe minerals zachi zahamku ate warunaited in its like teaching that strinete buddhism that is another zakara thoughts mino wa mabulun bino anja calcium wa babulun ja bunu wabu embuze zili embutu tuzua mineral brooks that jawu because they are potent they need to raise the baby to have strength mbabora wa mana nchiwanano bema wagina mugwari baba tingika natural kuzala tuinemberedi tubawa bimetwada then yatubetumalo kuzala itubatika kumakubienda kubuji nemumbuzi metuli awa mana tubajayo nitubaga nitubawa nituwarabirira n'ebyo minerals ezenjawulo minerals n'ebirala ebiyamba ku mbuzi okuwanisa obulwadde obumu efishes ezimu mu mbuzi efishes ezimu mu mbuzi n'obulwadde obumu obutategerekeka tubuwanisa naki na minerals ebyo era minerals ezo bwe zitavaawo kitegeeza embuzi zitandika okuwala ebirwadde birategerekeka wiyinza ofumusa ofuyimu embuzi n'etategerekeka when those mineral brooks, those salt links on the farm because they help in treating other diseases. Deficiency, lack of some minerals in the body causes diseases. Now there we go. If they don't have those mineral brooks, I thought it's part of the trick. Where we are where if somebody watched our previous episodes of our what we got from our auto or our postmortem on our one dead goat and one dead sheep. We had that. If you follow us, go back to our TikTok, YouTube channels. See our videos are there where we talked about autopsy. Now those deficiencies where you can lose goats unknowingly. Go back, you follow that, step back, think, look at your gym because this is a gym. Goat farming is my gym. I love goat farming. I love farming. Or I love farming. Somebody can't tell me I'm just doing farming. No, I used to supply you to go to ShopRite. I did that. I used to take watermelon to Nakasero, the whole food, so I did that before I even came out abroad. No, this is in me. This I do it. I used to have acres of passion fruit. In war, what is this? From Bidido Abakabaka or Rowo Boins? Yeah, behind it, I still have a big land there for my passion fruit, or they haven't got the mood. Yeah, when that rhythm comes in the mood for going back for passion fruit, I'm gonna kick it. I'm a proud farmer. I know what I'm talking about. And please watch out for our chicken clock. I'm gonna bring out the chickens. Yeah, our chickens are ready. I'm gonna bring out the chicken. The chicken talk is coming out. So next week we'll chat for our chicken talk. How to start up a chicken farm. Or how to start up a poultry farm. That one is gonna be coming out. Please watch out for more. Follow us on our TikTok channel, on our YouTube channel. See more details, see more hints on how to take good care of your goats. See the things we miss on how to take care of our goat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.